go ahead and put try, and that's a keyword, in your curly brackets, fill in the code that you want to try. So I'm going to try this. So in my try block right here, I'm going to write the code that I want to try. So I'm going to go ahead and try this. And what this try means and what this code block means, if you have an error anywhere in here, what we want to do is catch this error. So go ahead and write catch after this, and there always needs to be a catch after a try. And there can be something called a finally too, but for now, remember, there always needs to be a catch after a try. And for a catch, what do we want to catch? We're going to want to catch all errors. And in order to catch all errors, remember, they're called exceptions. Type exceptione. And why do you need to write this? There's actually different types of errors, like arithmetic error, I think one's called like input error or something like that. But if they make a math error or if they click something wrong, there are different types of errors. But if you want to catch all of them, this means if they do anything wrong at all. This is just the broad exception class right here. So let's just go ahead and catch that. And the E is pretty much if you want to print out E or something like that. But if they have any errors, what do we want to do? Let's type system out print line. We'll just type something like you can't do that. And let me fix this. So what this pretty much means is try this. If you have an error, do this. If not, if you try this and it works good, then this is never gonna run at all. So let me show you that. I'm gonna try this and I'm gonna enter 12, 3, bam, 4. This catch right here never runs at all. But if I run this again and I get an error and it says 12, 0, it says you can't do that. In my rest of my program, if I had any more code down here, it would continue to run normally. So what if I actually wanted to build a program, so if they entered the wrong thing, then I could pretty much have them do it again over and over again until they enter the right thing. Well, let's go ahead, and this is really simple. Put int x equals 1. So I'm gonna pretty much have a do while loop, and I'm gonna do this, do the pretty much the whole try and catch. So catch this, and I want to catch that too. I want to do the whole try and catch while x that we just made, that's equal to 1, is equal to 1. So I'm going to do that over and over again while this is equal to 1. But the thing is, if it continues to execute successfully, and I'm going to set this equal, the x equals 2. So as soon as it runs successfully, I'm going to set this x equal to 2, and it says, alright, that's the point in time when I stop. So here is a way where we can keep running this program over and over again until we get the right input. So if you had a really dumb user, the program will look something like this. Run sample. Alright, enter first number. 12, 0. Oh, you can't do that. Try again. Okay. Enter first number again. Let me expand this a little bit. 43, 0. Oh, nope, you can't do that. Enter first number again. And it's going to keep trying and trying. So let's go ahead and do this right. So put like 40 and 10. Bam, 4. So that is how we can keep kind of prompting the user to do it correctly.